Soil Bear. I'm here today to talk to you guys about how to cough and sneeze so that we don't spread bugs and germs to other people. So coughing and sneezing are natural ways that our body gets rid of certain bacteria or irritants in our respiratory tract. And what we need to be aware of is when we do so, it can spread into the air in different little molecules, and it can affect those around us. So proper ways to do it is, if you need a cough or a sneeze, you can grab a napkin and you can go ahead or a tissue and cough and sneeze into the tissue, dispose of that tissue, wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds, or use hand sanitizer. If you don't have a tissue, another way to cough and sneeze is into your elbow and not into your hands. Even if you sneeze and cough into your elbow, it's still important directly afterwards to wash your hands with soap and water or use hand sanitizer.